Recommendations for electronic circuits prototyping. Use a 30-watt soldering iron to solder a component in your board. Use a soldering iron as sponge with water to clean the tip of the soldering iron. Use a good quality soldering wire to wire up your prototypes. Use a proper wire wrapping wire to wire up your prototypes. Use soldering fume extractor to protect yourself from the fumes of the soldering wire. Use a good quality tin coated wearer board for your prototyping. First, I will remove the 7-segment display from header pins. And now we'll connect these resistors with the segments. Here we have pin number 1 and pin number 6, pin number 7 and pin number 12. Now we'll connect these resistors with the segments of multiplex 7-segment display. First we'll connect segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G and then dot point. From the schematic we can see that pin number 11 is segment A, and here we have pin number 11, that is segment A, on this header strip. Now we'll connect segment B, and segment B is on pin number 7. So here we have pin number 7 on this header strip, that is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we'll connect segment C, and segment C is on pin number 4. Now we'll connect segment D, and segment D is on pin number 2. Now we'll connect segment E, and segment E is pin number 1. Now we'll connect segment F, and segment F is on pin number 10. So here we have 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we'll connect segment G, and segment G is on pin number 5. Now we'll connect the segment dot point, and the dot point is on pin number 3. We have connected all the segments of multiplex 7-segment display with these 100 ohm resistors. Now we'll check the continuity of these resistors with segments. For this I'll use a pin to insert in header connector. First I'll check the continuity of segment A, and the segment A is on pin number 11. So here we have 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Segment A, okay. Segment B is on pin number 7. Okay. Segment C is on pin number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Segment A, segment B, segment C. Segment D is on pin number 2. Segment E is on pin number 1. Segment F is on pin number 10. Segment G is on pin number 5. And dot point is on pin number 3. Okay, we have connected all the segments of multiplex 7-segment display with the resistors of 100 ohm. Now we'll develop the circuit to control the anodes of this multiplex 7-segment display. Here we have 4 transistors A564. We have 4 resistors of 680 ohm. And we have 4 resistors of 2.2K. Now we'll develop a circuit to select the anode of this multiplex 7-segment display. Here we have transistor A564, and the right hand side pin is base, center is collector, and the left hand side is emitter. We can also check the configuration of these pins from the data sheet. Here we can see the data sheet of A564 transistor. It is a PNP transistor, and here we can find the bottom view, that is pin number 1 is emitter, pin number 2 is collector, and pin number 3 is base. So here we have the right pin, that is base, then collector and emitter. Now we'll place these transistors in our Vero board. Here I have placed the first transistor in the Vero board. The base is on the lower side of the Vero board and emitter is on upper side. And now I'll place the second transistor. third transistor, and the fourth transistor. Here we have soldered all 4 transistors in the Vero board. Now we'll connect all the emitters together and we'll connect the emitters to the power supply jumper. Before connecting all 4 emitters together, first we'll connect a resistor from emitter to base, that is a 680 ohm resistor. Here we have connected a resistor of 680 ohm from the base to emitter. And now we'll connect the emitters of all 4 transistors. Here we have connected emitters of all 4 transistors together. Now we'll connect these emitters with the power supply jumper here. To connect the power supply jumper with emitters, we'll use another bridge. Here we have placed another bridge to connect the power supply jumper with the emitters of all these 4 transistors. Here we have placed another wire bridge. Now we'll connect this power supply jumper with the help of jumper wire. Here we have connected the emitters of all 4 transistors with the power supply jumper. Now if I select the first jumper position, then we can apply the power to the emitters of these transistors. First we'll perform a continuity and short circuit test of these transistors. As we have completed the power supply circuit for all these 4 transistors, now I'll perform the continuity and short circuit test for all these transistors. I'll place one probe of the multimeter on the emitter of transistor, and I'll place the second probe on power supply jumper. Here we can see the power supply jumper is connected with the emitter. Now we'll check all the emitters. And now I'll perform the short circuit test with ground. Okay, there is no short circuit between power supply and ground.